You walk into a house, fall in love with the kitchen, and completely miss the crack in the foundation. I'm Trevor Whitaker with eXp Realty South Africa, and today we're talking about the biggest mistakes buyers make when viewing a property and how to avoid them so you don't buy with regret. Beautiful decor can distract even smart buyers. Staging is designed to make you feel something but not see everything. Don't get swept away by lighting and soft music. Instead, look past the furniture and focus on layout. Focus on structure, focus on ventilation, and focus on light. Remember, once that furniture is gone, all you're left with are the walls and the workmanship. Small cracks reveal big problems. Open every tap. Test every light switch and window. Check for water pressure, leaks, and cracks. Don't feel shy about it. You're making one of the biggest financial decisions of your life. If something feels off, take note. It's always cheaper to question now than to fix later. You're not just buying a home, you're buying a neighborhood. Visit at different times of the day. Check the noise levels, traffic, and security presence. And my favorite, barking dogs. That perfect house might look peaceful at noon, but come Friday night, it could be a completely different story. Buyers often rush through a property and miss critical details. Slow down, my friends. Or, like I always say, woosah. Slow down. Take your time. View it more than once if you can. And if you ever feel pressured to make a fast decision, here's some good advice for you. That's usually your sign to slow down even more. Many buyers underestimate how much a trained professional can pick up during a viewing. An experienced agent looks at zoning issues, latent defects, market positioning, and resale value. Things most buyers may never notice those. Now, a good agent doesn't show homes, they protect your investment. Here's one of the most overlooked and dangerous mistakes buyers make. You know what they do? They focus only on the features instead of the benefits. Many agents are guilty of doing this. Some agents will walk you through a property listing every single feature in the home. In other words, you're looking at a granite top, and guess what they'll tell you? That's a granite top. You see, there are 3 bedrooms. What do you think they're going to tell you? Oh, this house has 3 bedrooms. Like you can't see that, right? So 3 bedrooms, 2 garages, they'll tell you. But they forget to explain what those features actually mean for you. The benefit of granite top isn't the stone, it's durability, easy maintenance, and long-term value. The benefit of a double garage isn't space, it's convenience and it's security. Not buying bricks and tiles, you're buying lifestyle outcome. Work with an agent who understands the difference. So before you buy, remember, it's not just about finding the right house, it's about asking the right questions. I'm Trevor Whitaker with eXp Realty South Africa, helping you buy smart, not sorry. Follow for next week's video, how to negotiate a property deal like a pro.